Sanibona bafethu uVanele. So I'm sure abantu abaningi sebeyibonile ke indaba regarding umjida umhawunkota. Yabo. Kuthiwa ke indaba umjida lethi mayidlalelayo le eSaudi Arabia isimbeke ku transfer list. Ivalue yakhe kumjida u3 million euros. Uma uyiconvert nje leyo mali ungayiletha la kuyiround ilala eSouth Africa. Imali engango 63 million if I'm not mistaken. You can do the math on your side. So ngizokhuluma ngazo ke le indaba lezi. Yabo abantu abaningi kade bengibuza bese Vane ngabe iqiniso indlile. Yabo. One thing I can say about umhawunkota mina iyodwa kuphela. One thing I can say about umhawunkota iyodwa kuphela, umjida kumele alungise lapho nalapho. Uma uwabheka ama stats akhe njobe idlalela le club le. Awekho mahle wona ama stats. At the position ayidlalayo udlala as left back, which is not the position ayidlala abeyidlala kwi club ephuma kuyona Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates beyidlala as wing, yabo. So indaba ezikanje bafethu zifikile nami zangithusa. Yabo zifikile zangithusa, but ke ngakhumbula ukuthi Orlando Pirates naye umjida. If you remember I contract, I remember reading kuthiwa njoba bemdayisile nje lapha iOrlando Pirates imdayisile lapha in a clause kwi contract yakhe. Yabo, in a clause kwi contract yakhe, le clause le ithi uma le club le imdayisa umhawunkota, maybe let's say kwenye club, yabo, i% Orlando Pirates ezolithola back kwi team. Yabo, kune percent Orlando Pirates ezolithola. Ngaphezulu kwalokho futhi Orlando Pirates inalento labayibhiza nge-buyback clause. Yabo, i-buyback clause ilapho ke umdlali ozomdayisa khona. Kodwa ke i-team mase ngadlali kahle ku-team, i-team isengakwazi ukuthi imdayisele le team la abuya kuyona. Orlando Pirates inethuba eliningi kakhulu ukuthi imthenge back umhawunkota. Yabo, chance nje enkulu kakhulu ukuthi imthenge umhawunkota, but ke kungaba kuyona ukuthi Orlando Pirates iyamdinga yini umhawunkota. Yabo, uma usubheke nje the current team ekhona ku Orlando Pirates, ingabe umhawunkota angafitha yini on the current squad esikhona se Orlando Pirates, and ingabe ucoach uimpressed yini ngendlela adlala ngakhona umjida. Yabo, mina ngokwami I think umjida usengafitha ku squad se Orlando Pirates. Yabo, Orlando Pirates miyasizame nje ama means, because I know iwindi lizovulwa. Njoba lizovulwa nje iwindi, we need to get new players. A player like umhawunkota, maybe a potential loan, maybe loan him to Orlando Pirates, adlale ku Orlando Pirates, maybe a season loan, yabo, just to boost his spirits, because udlala nje le eSaudi Arabia udlala yedwa, uhamba yedwa lapha. Akufani nje koMbokazi bahambile, but bahambe noBopuso Ditsejane. Opuso Ditsejane bahlezi behleli nabo, yabo, bajwayelene vele. Yabo, so yena umhawunkota udlala le yedwa, so i-pressure yakhe inkulu kakhulu compared to lababanye. Yena udlala against one of the best players sebadlala ibhola, yabo, jikelele emhlabeni jikelele. Udlala against Ronaldo, udlala against Benzema, yabo, oNgolo Kante nabo basathana khamba labo bedlala lapho. Udlala against Mahrez, yabo, you can name, yabo, the players umjida adlala against bona. So i-pressure inkulu kakhulu kuyena umjida. Yabo, inkulu nje kakhulu. Yes, ngokwami ngasho ukuthi there is a possibility ukuthi umjida kungenzeka abuye ku Orlando Pirates, but ke I don't want to say Orlando Pirates izomthenga back, no, but there is a possibility, because uma usubheke iprice yakhe yena akusiyona iprice, yabo, ongasho ukuthi 63 million imali ya Fiston Mayele phela leyo. Imali ungathenga strike esinyo Fiston Mayele lapho. Mhlambe mekwenzeka siwin league isingawose simthenge back. Mina ngokwami all I can say, maybe Orlando Pirates must negotiate something like a loan, yabo, maybe negotiate a loan move, umjida alone back ku Orlando Pirates, singamthengi but simlone kuthina, yabo, azodlalela thina. Because I feel like ukudayiswa uthayele Saudi Arabia kwakufast kakhulu, yabo, kwakufast kakhulu, kwasheshwa, because akayiqedanga ngisho isizini with Orlando Pirates. Ayise akayiqedanga ngisho isizini with Orlando Pirates, waqala vele isizini isiqalile, yabo, wajoin Orlando Pirates isizini isiqalile. So akaze ayidlale isizini iziphele with Orlando Pirates umhawunkota. So for mina ngokwami I think bengangcono ukuthi mhlambe umhawunkota adayiswe isiphelile lesizini esikuyona currently, yabo, bengangcono lokho. Manje umjida mhlambe wafika halfway through the season nakhona samdayisa, yabo, uMbokazi kube ngcono for uMbokazi, because yena udlalile with Orlando Pirates. Yes, bekufana nje ngaye uba umhawunkota, but ke udlalile with Orlando Pirates since last year. Wadlala with Orlando Pirates since last year, wajoina iChicago ngabo December, yabo, uqale ngabo January, but wajoina ngabo December. That is like a whole season in a player. I feel like irashiwe vethi move yakhe umjida, but ke I hope umjida uzokwazi ukuthi abuyele ku Orlando Pirates, alone back ku Orlando Pirates, yabo. He's a good player, don't get me wrong, he's a good player, and umjida usomsebenzisa ngempela kwi World Cup. uyawadinga ama-minutes right now and kumele adlale more games. But-ke wena ngokwakho ungangitshela, how do you feel about uMhawu Nkota? Do you think Orlando Pirates kumele imthenge back? But-ke price tag yakhe umjida, hey